Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Pro Value number SZPR4-SN. This is what they call their Premier Series Zinc die-cast mushroom knob, 1.25" diameter, satin nickel finish. Here's what it looks like. Nice and attractive, to be sure. And they are heavy. This knob weighs 0.15 pound, so 1/7 of a pound, basically. It's a lot of weight for, for a cabinet knob. Why is that? Well, it's because it's made of zinc. Zinc is a very heavy material, dense material, non-ferrous, very abundant item that is ored or mined out of the earth. And zinc gives three things in my estimation. Number one, it is inexpensive. Number two, it gives a nice finish. While satin nickel, a true satin nickel would be something done on a solid brass base material, in my opinion. Well, solid brass, 0.15 pound of solid brass with a satin nickel plating would be a lot more expensive than this. So, zinc gives a nice, faithful finish. And that leads to the third thing. It is an item of value. Okay, you get really good, in my opinion, you get good quality for the cost of the item, it being made of zinc. Okay. Now they say that it is 1.25" diameter. Let's take a look at that. Diameter of the knob, yeah, it's 1.25". I would say that its total projection is about 1.125". Okay, this is going to include a typical 832 by 1 inch machine screw with a truss head for installation into typical 3/4 inch drawer or cabinet fronts. Okay, so very nice, attractive item. I wouldn't hesitate to use this. I wouldn't hesitate to suggest that you use it at all. Okay. There is information listed down below this video in the extended description, which says mushroom knob, zinc die cast, satin nickel, screw is included, and then the dimension. Their projection is 1 inch. Ours is clearly more than 1 inch, a little bit more. There is also a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can review not only all of the Pro Value hardware that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website. And that website basically acts as a catalog. It is a listing of those items that they have available. They're sold as each. When you buy one, we'll ship you one. This client ordered 6. If you have any questions on the Pro Value series, SZPR4-SN, mushroom style 1.25" knob, or any other Pro Value series product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.